Swim? Say yay! Ready? Sure? Are you ready? Say ready. Let's go. You want to go? Okay, hold on. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Well, today we'll take Sam out to the barber, and today is his first swimming lesson. I realize them really never switch him at hospital because he might turn out so much like me with the water thing. We wanted to start him off from a month's old, but we never get to do that so we're doing that now. So yeah, journey along with us. We're giving a little clips, you know what, tell one thing. How am I gonna behave? Ballings, I'm just gonna love it. One thing. Right? So comment in the comment section and let us know. Let us start reading. Yeah, so journey with us. You ready? Yeah? You ready? You see this, guys? Ready, excited, and everything, but guess what? Hey, Ballins, who's that? Just wait. Sam? Sam? You know where you're going? This way. Hear the crying? I saw something. Doing? She's crying? Yes? What happened? Swim, yeah. You ready to swim too? Wait, soon.
Okay.
Sam ready now. I sit and wait. Sit down and wait. I'm confused, guys. I'm very confused. I don't get it.
Samuel don't want to wait, guys. And this is actually his first day, and he's so anxious to get into the water. Let's see what happens when we actually go inside there.
Confused, guys. Guys, he now wants to stay out of the water. Guys, I can't believe this. He only cries when he's out of the water. Unbelievable. Here's in the water, looking sideways.
You soon go back in there, wait. We'll have to find something to keep Samuel occupied, just so they don't have the crying. What are you doing, Sam? You splashing? Hmm?
I'm racing you. I'm gonna win. You're so slow. Good. Remember to blow the bubbles. Good. Blow the bubbles. Hold on to the board, sir. I'm gaining on you. I'm gaining on you. On the back.
Alright guys, so Samuel is still crying. He told them bye bye, so we're leaving. It was a good first day, right Sam? Right? You tell them bye bye? Okay, we're going to change now.
Alright guys, So we're freshening him up, change him. Sam, what's wrong? And then we head on to our next stop. We're more than likely I gotta be one bag of balling again. So we're carrying him to the barber. You saying hi? Alright. So guys, we're actually at the barber, you know, you see me? So we're waiting the vehicle until a film time, you know. So when we get inside, we'll start again, you see me? Okay. Which game?
Cheese.
You have to do it without this the cheese now.
Cheese.
You ain't that looking. Hey, you're not wanting it properly.
No.
You're driving. You don't want to drive anymore. Hmm? Sam. Why you knocking the window? She can't see you. She can't see you. Drive.
Maybe.
Beep.
Good job.
Don't press it.
You're frightened them.
At the jail on Wednesday in the Champions League, we should have done well beaten until Wednesday. Something got away. So they're not in great form at all. So one piece I would check against City when they weren't great. Brought in a lot of young kids young to off it. It's the usual.
I have this powder.
You want powder? Alright, we're gonna put some powder up now. Wipe off here, okay? Let me see your face.
Are you daddy?
Where are you, Daddy? Say, where are you, Daddy?
Are you daddy? Daddy!
So you see that your haircut is nice? You like it?
Go.
Is it nice? You love it? And you swim today? You swim?
Ever.
Yeah, your haircut's nice.
Go.
Alright guys, so after all the swimming, all the sun and all the fun Samuel had today, It's good night from Samuel and bye from us. So until next time, guys, remember the journey continues. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave him a comment. See you later, guys.